Congratulations, class of 2019. It's been such a joy to be here today to celebrate with you such a wonderful event and your wonderful achievements.
This is truly a day we will never forget. We are honoured and humbled to have received our award as Honorary Fellows, but the real stars of the show today are you. You've come along this journey so far and achieved marvellous things, great things, but your real journey is just starting. Be bold, aim high, and you'll be amazed what you can achieve, both for yourselves, for your communities, and representing the university here, which I think is the greatest university in the world. So well done.